right, Frank, your car's naked, dude.
Yeah.
All right. The wrap is gone, old chrome, and the hardware, okay? So for me, as an installer, when I show up and the car is naked, no door handles, no molding, this makes me very happy. Why? Because I don't have to do it, okay? More importantly, because the mechanics know what they're doing, I can go so much farther, so much easier, and I don't have to worry, especially when I'm putting on stuff like chrome.
Hey Justin, on commercial wraps, do you find that you have to remove as many parts?
No way.
So really, because we're doing this color change paint wrap, requires a lot more removal of parts, and it's pretty obvious.
Absolutely. You know, for me, it's always a balance and stuff like that. And again, gold chrome. You know, maybe if we're doing your car and this, you have a black car, so it hides more. It's not a white car or red car. If I was doing this with like a standard color change film, I would maybe not take so much hardware off because it's not as pressure, you know, it's not as sensitive. But with chrome, especially when we get to your front bumper where you got crazy curves, or back here, even with this cover here, I want as much hardware gone because it gives me more space to make it perfect and make it look like paint.
And for the new people out there that are just getting started in wrapping, there's a lot of time involved in removing all these parts and all this preparation. And so you could not do that, right? You could save a lot of time on the front end,
Sure,
not remove all the parts, but the cost you have are that now that these parts are all removed, it's going to be a lot faster to wrap, right?
absolutely. Faster, yeah.
And then more than likely, most customers are going to want a higher quality, and so you're going to be able to produce, I believe you're going to show us a lot higher quality, right?
Yeah, I mean, you know, and again, I think that's the case. And where the art of car wrapping, okay, is to find the balance between time and money. Okay, is you think you're saving time, or you buy a cheaper film, or you do something, you think you're saving money or time, but in the back end you don't. Okay, so that's what we're really trying to show in this bad boy here. But especially with the hardware off now, what's underneath the hardware is dirt. Okay, so for me, this is a big one where you always take the hardware off first and then you clean. Okay, and then we're really going to do cleaning where we're going to get an air compressor, blow all the dirt off, and then we're going to wrap from the roof down. So as the dirt comes off, it goes onto the ground, and then we sweep. Big stuff.
And you know, you're going to talk about all the types of products to use to clean.
Sure.
Yeah. So we sell a lot of products that clean, and of course, you may by preference choose some products.
Yeah.
Tell me, Justin, what are some things that we do not want to use to clean this vehicle and prep it before we start wrapping?
Well, I think especially now with the cars today, because they're water-based paint, you have to really choose the right ones. For years, I was always saying, clean the car with you want to clean the car twice. Get the dirt off and then degrease, okay? And I would say even, you know, my grandmother used white vinegar. It worked great for cleaning. And then I'd use isopropyl alcohol, which is really popular in America. Like in Europe, isopropyl alcohol bottle like this would cost $150. In America, it costs $3, okay? So there's different cleaners and different choices, but more and more, the paint is water-based, and you want to be really careful how you take it off. For me personally, I like to use like an all-in-one cleaner, and like companies like, let's say, Croftgate USA has a stuff just for wraps.
You bet. And we carry Croftgate, and we're going to show obviously some Croftgate products being used on this vehicle.
And there's lots of different cleaners though, so I don't want to make this a commercial for Croftgate per se, but there's different cleaners. But for me, environment is a big one. I see a lot of people use hardcore cleaners like xylene or denatured alcohol, and they're not wearing rubber gloves and stuff like that. I've always kind of erred on environmentally friendly. That's why I use vinegar for a long time, and that's why I use Croftgate, because it's environmentally friendly.
So Justin, can we talk about the paint now?
Absolutely.
I'm so excited about.
Actually, let's do that. Let's do separate.
So this is the second time I've tried to do this, and
No,
I'm kidding.